Mr. McAlpine. What exactly is the challenges? What exactly are the challenges and the opportunities right now in the Asian maritime finance sector?
Thank you very much. I think that there are significant challenges in shipping generally as we go into 2016, and we heard about those from the European and American bank finance panel. I think the Asian maritime finance providers offer some opportunities for global ship owners and Greek ship owners to develop relationships with leasing companies and other banks and financial institutions in China. And that is something that actually has been happening in the last 3 or 4 years, linked maybe to the construction of ships in China. China is a very, very big shipbuilding nation. It is ambitious to be the biggest in the world and the most powerful in the world, and has identified Greece as a place where there are lots of ship owners. So in a sense, it's kind of, 2 and 2 makes possibly 44 rather than 4. So I think that there are lots of opportunities to do deals in China. It's quite right that the Chinese ultimately, I think, have been viewed as only wanting to make capital available when you agree to build a ship in China. But I think maybe that's changing and becoming a slowly more sort of broader and more wider opportunity for Greek owners and other owners in the industry. The problem that the industry has in 2016 is that there is generally a lack of liquidity, a lack of available capital from the traditional providers of shipping finance, whether that's for new buildings or for second-hand vessels. And I think that is going to possibly get worse before it gets better. But I think, it would probably be a brave man who would say that the Chinese banks and leasing companies would solve the problem. I don't think they will, because they have their own particular needs to deal with, and so they're not simply going to step into the market and cure this potential lack of liquidity as we go forward into 2016.
Okay, just a couple of words now about the Capital Link Forum. What exactly is the importance of this particular forum to you and maybe for the industry itself?
Well, I got involved in this forum through Nicholas last October. I participated in the London Forum, and I was struck actually by the number of people who attended in London, by the quality of the speakers, and by also the I would say the high level of participation from the from the audience. So you had lots of CEOs, lots of CFOs. I think the investor relations business that Capital Link is also affiliated with means that you can be pretty sure to get a very, very good, good quality participation in these conferences. And it's good to be part of that. And I'm happy that Clyde Co is supporting Capital Link as it grows and develops, and I hope that we can continue to do that for some time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.